Feeding birds seems like the perfect outdoor activity. People can learn a lot while they enjoy helping feed birds. As ideal as bird feeding may be, it carries some risks that the birds could become infected with pathogens. A dirty or unkept bird feeder can be a source of pathogens that can affect the health of the native bird populations. Here are some tips to help provide a safe environment for your birds and then help you enjoy feeding the birds in your backyard. Give them plenty of space around your bird feeder. Clean up your wastes. Make the bird feeders safe. Get rid of sharp points or edges. Keep the bird feeders clean. Clean and disinfect regularly. Use good food. Don't use musty, stale, old feed that could be possibly contaminated. Prevent contamination by keeping it out of the area where rodents and mice can get into the feed. Act early. Don't wait till you see sick and dead birds. Spread the word. One of the best ways to help feed the birds around your property is to plant quality nursery stock that delivers feed to the birds all year round, or in the winter months when the birds have few sources of food. Today we're going to discuss one type of shrub called the winterberry holly. It is known as a late winter feeder for your birds. Winterberry holly is our only native deciduous holly. In the late summer, berries form on the bush, which are in clusters. As fall progresses, the color of the winterberry turns to a red foliage which soon drops, leaving nothing but red berries on the stems of the winterberry. As the berries ripen during the winter, they turn darker, still clinging to the plant. And when the snows are just deepest, that is usually when the winterberry holly is ready for birds to eat. It stands out above the heavy, deep snows that occur in the Northeast. The winterberry holly is usually found in wetland soils. It's a very easy to grow bush. It grows to about 10 feet high depending upon the cultivar, and is also moderately deer resistant, offering you an affordable way to feed birds in the late winter.
This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers.